Hello there, welcome to our very first program in Java. We are going to write a Java application that displays a welcome message on the screen. Now, in order to write a Java application, we need to write a source code. Then after that, we compile it and run. We are going to use the notepad to write our source code. That's a very basic one you can use. Then as we advance, we will migrate to Android Studio so that we can develop applications for mobile phones, tablets, TVs, etc. Before that, let's go to our drive C and create a folder Java made easy. Then now let's go to our notepad and save this as a Java source file or a Java file. In order to save a text file as a Java file, this is how we do it. We go to File, then Save As. Now we go to Java Made Easy, our folder. Then we use a double quote. Then within the double quote, we type the name of our program, welcome message. .java. So now if you go to our folder Java Made Easy, you find a Java file. So we have created a Java file which is going to serve as our source code. Now let's write our source code within this Java file. So every Java program has what we call a class. So we use the keyword to define that class or to declare that class. So class, then now the name of the class, which must be the same as and this name should be the same as the name of the application, so or the name of the Java file. So this is the name of the class and this is the name of the Java file. They must be the same. Then now this Java file, then our class should be enclosed in braces. Now it doesn't matter the spacing, we can drop it, so it will work the fact that we write our code within the braces. Now in order to improve readability, this is how we outline the codes. Now within this class we have methods, but this is a very basic program, so it's going to contain only one method, and that's the main method. Every Java program or application should contain a main method. Now this is how we call the main method: public static void main. Main is the name of the main method. Then within the parentheses we have string args, standing for argument. Now the argument is in square brackets. Now the main is the name of the method, and void is telling us that this argument is null, it's not containing any argument. Then the public is just telling us that we can access this outside this class. Then the public is just telling us how we can access this method. Like if you post a message on Facebook, you can control the privacy by going to privacy settings, and if you want only your friends, then you set it. So that is what we are doing over here. The public is just telling us the static is also just a keyword. We shall get the meaning as we progress. Now this must also be enclosed in parentheses. So like before, we can outline this to improve readability of the code. Now within the method we write commands telling the program what it should do. So we want to print to the screen, so we use the keyword system.out.printout system.out.println. Then this is also in parentheses. Then it's a line of code in Java. So every line of code in Java should end with a semicolon. So this is ending with a semicolon. Now we come to this parenthesis. Then whatever we want to print, we wanted to print a line of text which is a string, so it must be within double quotes. It must be within double quotes. So we type whatever message you want to display to the screen over here. Now the print here is just telling us that we are going to print to the screen, not an actual printer. So we type hello beginner, welcome to Java Made Easy. Now we are done with our source code, so let's save it. Now the next thing we need to do is to compile this source code. So we go to this command prompt, then as at now we are in this folder. Our source code is inside the Java Made Easy folder. So we change directory. CD means change directory, then / type the name of the folder as it is, then enter. Now we are in this folder, Java Made Easy. Now the next thing we do is to search this directory for our Java application. So we type the name of the Java application, which is welcome message.java. And press enter. So now we have accessed the Java file. Now we need to compile it. So we go to the Java compiler, so Java compiler, so Java C, Java. Then now we type the name of the application, make sure that you spell the word correctly and press enter. Now if everything goes on correctly, your screen should be looking like this. Now at this point, if you go to our source code, or if you go to our folder, we have a second file that we have not created. It is created by the machine. This is in a machine language, so we cannot read and understand it. So it is welcome message, but it is having this extension .class. So that is a class file, and we call this a bytecode. So now, so we use the interpreter, then Java welcome message, then press enter. So we have hello, welcome to Java made easy. Hello beginner, welcome to Java made easy. So this is our very first basic program we have written. In our next tutorial, we are going to look at how we can modify this and explore